Welcome back to the classroom, everyone. I am so thrilled to have you here for this explainer, because today is the day we start getting our hands dirty. In our previous discussions, we established why AI economics are fundamentally different from traditional software. But today, we're taking the essential next step. We're going to start peeling the onion on the actual, real-world financial investigation of AI within your organization.
Okay, let's dive right into this lesson. This is officially part 3 of our 6-part tutorial series on AI FinOps. And our absolute focus today is chapter 3 of our guiding text, Auditing, Subscription, and API Spend. If you've been feeling like your organization's AI costs are just this giant black box, well, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're opening that box. Here's our syllabus for today. We're going to cover 6 key areas: the 3 layers of consumption, enterprise agreements, programmatic APIs, shadow AI, the hidden trap of secondary infrastructure, and finally, the AI audit playbook. Let's get to it. Section 1, the 3 layers of consumption, a forensic deep dive. So the golden rule of FinOps is absolutely crucial here. You literally cannot manage what you haven't audited. As we go through this, I want you to keep the metaphor of an iceberg in your mind. What you see on your primary invoice, that's just the tip. Consumption is actually fractured across 3 distinct layers. We start at the surface with Layer 1, enterprise agreements. Then we descend into Layer 2, direct API consumption. And finally, we hit the murky depths of Layer 3, shadow AI. Let's explore how all of this builds our understanding of your true cost picture. Section 2, Layer 1, enterprise agreements. Now, this is the most visible layer. It includes those formal top-down vendor contracts. Think Microsoft Copilot or Google Gemini. But, finance teams actually fall into a trap here all the time. Now, what's really interesting about this is the stark contrast. A purchased Copilot seat that's just sitting unused costs the exact same as a seat that's generating daily business value. So if your audit only looks at procurement records, you're entirely missing the point. You got to aggressively track active utilization and reclaim those unactivated seats. Section 3, Layer 2, programmatic APIs. All right, now we're getting into the undercurrent of your spend. This is where development teams make direct programmatic calls to providers like OpenAI. To audit this layer, finance really has to roll up their sleeves. You need to cross-reference billing exports directly against project budgets. And here is the kicker. Pay incredibly close attention to your testing environments. Engineering teams frequently run inference workloads in dev and test environments at near production scale. Seriously, it can completely evaporate your budget without any of the cost scrutiny that's normally applied to a live product. Section 4, Layer 3, Shadow AI. Welcome to the darkest, most dangerous layer of the iceberg. And trust me, this is happening in your organization right now. Employees are swiping corporate or even personal credit cards for tools like Cursor, Perplexity, or niche AI apps, entirely bypassing procurement. It is literally the Wild West of software buying, and it creates a massive FinOps nightmare. Not only does it cause redundant capabilities, but, and this is a big one, it introduces massive compliance exposure. You're basically feeding your company's sensitive data into unvetted tools without any legal review. No good. But hey, here is the fantastic news. If you're willing to do the hard work of auditing this deepest layer, the reward is staggering. Research actually shows that consolidating this shadow AI into proper negotiated enterprise agreements typically yields a 20 to 30% cost savings. 20 to 30%. That is a massive return on investment for your audit efforts, and it instantly, and I mean instantly, improves your overall security and governance posture. So you might be wondering, how exactly do we shine a light on this shadow spend? Well, here's your tactical checklist. First, unleash your finance team to deeply analyze expense reports and corporate card statements. Have them specifically search for AI tool vendors. Second, partner up with IT to run software inventory scans across all managed corporate devices to see what applications are actually installed. And third, just ask. Conduct direct team surveys, asking employees to self-declare their undisclosed subscriptions. Basically, bring the whole shebang out into the open. Section 5, the hidden trap, secondary infrastructure. Okay, just when you think your audit is complete, there is a hidden multiplier lurking in your architecture. And this brilliantly illustrates the trap. The true cost of an AI application is almost never just the headline LLM inference cost you pay per token.
If you're running RAG-based applications, you have massive secondary infrastructure costs. We're talking vector databases that require storage and query operations, re-ranking APIs, continuous content moderation APIs. Honestly, it's incredibly common for these secondary costs to completely rival or even exceed the core model itself. So, a complete audit must map every single API call in the entire stack, not just the model.
Section 6, the AI Audit Playbook.
All right, now that we've mapped the shadow spend and those sneaky architectural traps, how do we turn all of this into a repeatable process? Well, here is your recommended cadence. For the very first year of your AI FinOps journey, you've got to conduct a full forensic spend audit every single quarter. Why? Because the landscape shifts so fast. But once you've established that baseline visibility, you can safely pull back to semi-annual audits in year 2 and beyond.
And what is the ultimate output of all this auditing? What's the prize? It's the creation of a living AI vendor register. Now, this isn't just some static spreadsheet that gets saved to a shared drive and forgotten about. Oh no, this is a continuously updated, rigorous record owned and maintained by IT Finance. Every single inference call, every vector database, every single enterprise license, and every consolidated shadow tool, it's all mapped right here with a clear cost and a named owner attached to it. It brings total accountability to your entire AI ecosystem.
So, we've built the foundation, we've mapped the iceberg from the visible enterprise agreements all the way down to the hidden depths of shadow AI and secondary infrastructure. You now have the playbook to achieve radical visibility. But, as you know, visibility is really only half the battle. Now that you know exactly where the money is going, are you ready to move from simply auditing your spend to aggressively optimizing it? I'll leave you with that thought to chew on. I cannot wait to see you back here for part 4 of the tutorial series, where we tackle exactly that. See you then.